How to delete photos on Messenger from both sides. So if you are looking for the video that help you to delete photos on Messenger from both sides, then this video is for you. And it's quite easy and simple to delete photos on Messenger from the both side. The first thing you have to do is update your applications so that you can enjoy the latest features. So if you are using Android, you can easily go ahead and open Play Store. And on the search bar, you need to search for Messenger updates. And as you can see, I already have updated my app, so no need because there is no any update button. If you see update button, then you need to tap on it and update your app. If you are using iOS device, then you can go on App Store and follow the same way. Then let's open it. Once you open it, make sure that you have signed in on your Messenger applications account. Then open any accounts chat that you want to delete the photos on Messenger from both side. As you can see that I have sent this photo on this user chat. So for that, you need to simply tap and hold and now tap on more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select remove. Now here is the two option remove for you and on-send. So if you select on-send, then this photo will be deleted on Messenger from both sides. Now no one will be able to view this photo, either that chat person or here we don't see it is also not available on our chat. So this is how we delete photos on Messenger from both sides. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates.